5 apps that pay you while you sleep 2022. If you're looking for apps that can pay you while you sleep in 2022, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you 5 top apps. This might sound unrealistic, but the truth is you can make quite a bit of money once you have the right systems in place. I will be showing some live income reports on each one of these methods for what you can expect to make. With a dedicated routine and some added effort, you can start earning money with your phone in no time. This is Untitled TV. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. Let's dive in. 1. The first app that can pay you while you sleep in 2022 is Robinhood. This is my go-to stock trading app that has helped me earn a lot of money over the last couple of years. You can make money trading stocks by trading frequently, holding for long periods of time, or with dividends. It is recommended you save up at least a couple of $1,000s to get started, but you can definitely earn a lot once you get the hang of it. 2. Another app that can pay you while you sleep is Wealthy Affiliate. Affiliate marketing is a way of promoting things online via a blog like this one, a YouTube channel, or even on a Facebook page. Each time you recommend something and leave a link on one of these profiles, you can earn a small commission. In our above video we show how earning upwards of $100 a day is very realistic. Wealthy Affiliate is a great place to learn the ins and outs if you're interested in this type of marketing. 3. Affilorama is another affiliate marketing training app which has lots of great content. The truth is I earn well over $10,000 a month with this type of marketing. Affilorama has over 20 free videos which can teach you the ropes, and also some great paid content if you want to take it a bit further. 4. The next app that can pay you while you sleep in 2022 is Acorns. This is an automatic investing app that can help you earn an extra 2 to 5% on your money. You can set up recurring deposits or card roundups. While it's not an app that will make you rich, it will help you earn a lot more than a bank checking or savings. 5. The last one is Wealthsimple. This is another automatic investing app similar to Acorns. It is another one of the best apps that can pay you while you sleep in 2022. You can set up recurring deposits which will put your money into low-risk index funds. It's another solid way to help you earn some money doing nothing. If you enjoyed this list, you can check some more great money-making apps out here. This is Untitled TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video.